In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can easily swap faces in videos for free. Simply open your browser and navigate to Art Guru. Once there, log in using your Google or Facebook account. Next, click on the Face Swap option and select Video Face Swap. You have the option to upload your own video or choose from available templates. Let's give it a try with this template. Click on Continue and then the plus icon to upload your face image. After uploading, click on Generate. It may take a few minutes. Once the process is complete, click on the button to view the result. You can then download it in MP4 or GIF formats. Enjoy!